All right. Well, welcome. We're in Disneyland. Someone told me that my wife might be
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the box.
Okay.
Please, watch your kids. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so we found some ears, but we did not find leaves. And he said the fastest way up the mountain was off-leg. Take that dark real quick. What's that? Oh, it's super. It's so fun. Oh, what the heck was that? Something that hit us. Oh no. Oh, they had a bad day. They had a bad day. Woo! Hey, eyeball! Whoa! What was that? Wow! Okay. I don't see leaves anywhere. There are leaves anywhere. Oh, you catch those guys? They're really going fast. Maybe leaves is in that car over there. Come back over here. Oh, wow. Hey, leaves in that car over there. That wasn't leave. Oh, hi everybody. It's almost over. Oh, it was water. Where do people go in that car? That's
Yeah. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Well, I think we better go on some of these other places to look for these because that was really crazy. She wasn't there. There was some other Yeti or something, but not leaves. Well, stick around. Maybe more from Disneyland if I survive. Yay.